Hello students, in today's session let us discuss Caesar's cipher. This is one of the oldest ciphers and is also a substitution cipher. Now in order to understand this cipher, let us consider the alphabets of English language. So there are 26 alphabets, A, B, C and so on up to Z. Now since there are 26 alphabets, when we operate using these alphabets, we are actually operating in mod 26. Each of these alphabets is assigned a numerical value. So A is assigned 0, B 1, C 2 and so on, and then you have the character Z, which is 25. Now this happens to be the plain text. So the plain text is the message. So when we have the alphabets A, B, C and so on, the numerical values of these alphabets would be 0, 1, 2 and so on. Since there are 26 characters, we are operating in mod 26. Now to understand Caesar's cipher with a shift of 3, what happens when the shift, let us say K is 3, then in the cipher text, each character is replaced by another character by shifting or by moving 3 places to its right. Now for example, if I consider character A, then I shift 3 times, so I get B, C, D. So A is replaced by the character D, B is replaced by the next character E, and so on. What about X? Again you have to shift 3 times, wrapping around. So after Z, again I write A, B, C. So X is replaced by, you shift 3 times, Y, Z, A. So X is replaced by A, Y by B and so on. So here the shift is 3. So how do I get the ciphertext? The ciphertext formula is the plain text P plus K operating in mod 26. So we can write it as CT or you can just write it as C. So the ciphertext C equals P plus K mod 26. So here in this case, K is 3. So the cipher equals the plain text character plus 3 operating in mod 26. For example, if I take the word hello, which is the plain text, what about the ciphertext? H is replaced by the character which is obtained by moving 3 places to its right. So after H I get I, J, K. So you get K. After E you get F, G, H. So E is replaced by H. After L you would get M, N, O. So both the L's are replaced by O and O is replaced by P, Q, R. So it is replaced by R. So the ciphertext for hello is K, H, O, O, R. Now if I have to use this formula, then I have to write its equivalent numerals. So here there are all the 26 alphabets along with their numerals. So if I have to get the ciphertext for the plain text hello, first write the numerals associated with these characters. So H is 7, E is 4, L is 11, so this is 11, O is 14. So what is the ciphertext? The ciphertext is P plus K mod 36. So here K is 3. So the ciphertext numeral is P plus 3 mod 26. So for H, so for the alphabet H, what do we get? It is P, which is 7 plus 3. What is 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 corresponds to the alphabet K. So I have K here, which is 10. For the alphabet E, so here you have E is 4. So 4 plus 3, which is 7. So 7 stands for the alphabet H. So I get H here. For L, L is 11. So 11 plus 3, which is 14. So what is 14? 14 is O. Similarly O. And what is O? For O, you have 14 plus 3, which is 17. So 17 is represented by the character R. So therefore, the ciphertext for HELLO is KHOOR. Now, given the ciphertext, how do I get back the plain text? So this is the encryption formula. So what is the decryption formula? So given the ciphertext, how do I get back the plain text? So it's very simple. In order to get back the plain text, I need to subtract 3 from the ciphertext. So the plain text P is C minus 3 operating in mod 26. Or in general, P equals C minus K mod 26. Right? So very simple. If I subtract 10 minus 3, I get 7. 7 minus 3, you get 4. 14 minus 3, you get 11, and so on. So this is the Caesar cipher, encryption and the decryption formula for K equal to 3, and these are the general expressions. So this is a very simple cipher which can be taught to even school students, and they can encrypt a given text or encrypt a given paragraph or encrypt a given message, or you could have the ciphertext and they can decrypt and identify the message. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching.